Cases wind up taking a lot of extra time because the FAA winds up in a situation that we used to call kind of chart thrashing. And they would take that chart and they would find, oh, I don't know if this is adequately answered, and they would send that to another part of the FAA for further analysis, where it would sit for weeks before it would eventually get answered and come back. Part of that is because the packages that airmen submit are not complete or not well organized or don't answer all of the questions that have to be answered from an aviation safety perspective. That takes a lot of time. The process is still very cumbersome. It involves written correspondence, which takes a lot of time. The FAA has not particularly been able to use email very well as a means of messaging back and forth with an airman. It's primarily done, as I say, by correspondence. That's for legal reasons, as well as the fact that they really don't have the IT backbone and cybersecurity set up to be able to allow too much interchange of information digitally. So it's all analog, it's all old world correspondence. That takes time. It takes time to go through the mail process. Once it arrives in Oklahoma City, where it's usually put into the system, that has to go through a mail screening process that takes time. So all of that takes time. But if you have your package well organized and you answer all the questions that you can anticipate need to be answered, generally speaking, that will help you get the package processed as expediently as it can possibly be done.